Make your Chevy or GMC the ultimate heavy-duty towing machine with the Loadlifter 5000 from Airlift. Anyone who's ever towed a boat, trailer, or RV has possibly experienced the squat caused by an overloaded trailer weight. Not only is this harmful to your truck or van, but it's also dangerous to you and your passengers. Improperly balanced loads can lead to swaying, bottoming out, and increased braking distance. All hazardous conditions putting you at risk. A level vehicle means a safer and more secure ride for you and your family. The Airlift Loadlifter 5000 is the ultimate addition to your non-adaptive ride Chevy or GMC 3/4 or 1-ton truck or van. Each pair of heavy-duty molded polyurethane air springs are made to last. Specifically designed for heavy-duty use, they offer 5,000 pounds of load leveling power. These air springs are made for the hard-working men and women who get the job done. They're perfect for commercial trucks, wreckers, ambulance, construction, or utility vehicles. Installation can be performed in a matter of hours. Airlift provides all the hardware and airlines needed, plus an easy-to-follow, fully illustrated guide. If you're interested in purchasing the Loadlifter 5000 from Airlift or need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.